Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dark Waves here, and today I'm super excited to walk you through getting started with Next.js, one of the most powerful frameworks for building modern web applications. Whether you're a beginner looking to dive into web development or an experienced developer searching for a new framework to boost your productivity, this video is for you. Let's not waste any time, let's get right into it. First, let's talk about what Next.js actually is. Next.js is a React-based framework that offers powerful features like server-side rendering, static site generation, and API routes out of the box. It's perfect for building high-performance, SEO-friendly websites and applications, and it's backed by Vercel, which makes deployment super easy. If you already know React, learning Next.js is a breeze, and it takes your development experience to the next level. Alright, let's get started by setting up a new Next.js project. First, make sure you have Nodejs and npm installed on your system. To check, simply open your terminal and type node-v and npm-v. If you don't have them installed, head over to the Nodejs website and grab the latest version. Now open Visual Studio Code and click on Open Folder. Then you need to create a folder in any path and then select it. Now you can open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. Now to create a Next.js app, we use a command called create next app. Just type npx create next app at latest and your folder name. I am here using the folder name as // to get the current folder as root. First, would you like to use TypeScript? Since you're using TypeScript, I will select yes for you. This ensures type checking support for your project. Next, would you like to use ESLint to enforce coding standards? I will select yes to enable ESLint, which will help keep your code consistent and error-free. Would you like to use Tailwind CSS for styling? I'll select yes to enable Tailwind CSS for utility-first styling in your project. Would you like your code to be organized in a src directory? You have chosen no. This means that your files will be in the root of the project directory. Would you like to use the app router? I'll select yes because you want to use the newer app router, which organizes your pages and API routes in the app/directory. Would you like to use TurboPack for faster development builds? I'll select yes to enable TurboPack, which will speed up your development process with faster hot reloading. Do you want to customize the import alias? The default is at /*. I will select yes and keep the default import alias configuration for cleaner and shorter import paths. This command will create a new Next.js application with all the necessary files and folders set up for you. And finally, start your development server using npm run dev. This will start the Next.js server, and you can open your browser and go to localhost 3000 to see your app running. Let's take a quick look at the project structure. You'll see several folders and files here. The app folder is where you define your routes. For instance, if you create a new folder called about inside the app folder and create a page.tsx file, it automatically becomes accessible at /about. The public folder is for static assets like images, fonts, and other files. And of course, the app, src, or the root folder is where we can define the main application components and structure if you are using the newer app router in Next.js 13 or a higher version. Let's make a quick edit to the page.tsx file inside the app folder. Clear all the HTML tags in it and create a new h1 tag called dark waves. Let's see it in our web browser. Here it is, updated. Now you can start coding in this project and you can further learn Next.js and create big projects. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.